For over 20 years, this forgotten underground warehouse kept a secret that nobody believed could exist. Behind this forgotten door was something that had been untouched for decades. Hidden in the darkness was a machine that was once a symbol of power, now almost forgotten. Most people would call this vehicle impossible to save. The legendary AMG badge was still there, waiting for someone to bring it back to life. Years of silence had destroyed almost every part of this beast. The engine that once created unstoppable power had been sleeping for 20 years. Every corner showed damage, but the heart of this machine was still waiting. Inside, luxury had been replaced by 20 years of decay. But the restoration house was ready to attempt what everyone thought was impossible: bringing this AMG G63 back to life. After years of abandonment, the G63 has finally been found. Now, the restoration house is here to bring this forgotten machine back to life. The flatbed slowly lowers beside the forgotten G63. For the first time in years, this machine is finally getting a second chance. The winch begins pulling slowly. Inch by inch, the abandoned G63 climbs onto the recovery truck. The doors finally close behind it. After years in darkness, the G63 is leaving the warehouse for the last time. Its next destination is the restoration house. But before the transformation begins, the forgotten G63 still has one final journey ahead. After the long journey, the G63 finally arrives at the workshop. This is where its impossible comeback begins. The G63 is carefully lowered from the flatbed. From this moment on, every part will be inspected, restored, and rebuilt. The first look beneath the hood reveals years of neglect. What we find inside will determine just how difficult this restoration becomes. The engine has survived years of abandonment, but survival doesn't mean it's healthy. Now we find out what's left underneath the grime. Before the rebuild can begin, every old fluid must leave. Years of contamination are finally being drained away. The electrical system is disconnected first. With the battery gone, the engine can finally be dismantled safely. The hood comes off, exposing an engine bay untouched for years. Now the real teardown begins. The cooling system has suffered through years of neglect. The old radiator is carefully removed piece by piece. Beneath the dirt, the intake system tells its own story: heat, dust, oil, and years without proper care. Every connection must be released before the engine can move. One overlooked wire could stop the entire extraction. After years of silence, the heart of the G63 finally comes out. The engine is leaving the vehicle for the first time in decades. The deeper we go, the worse the damage becomes. Beneath the surface, years of oil, carbon, and wear are waiting. The pistons are finally exposed. Carbon and oil cover their surfaces, revealing just how hard this engine has suffered. The crankshaft is coming out next. Once it leaves the block, the engine will be reduced to its bare mechanical core. The cylinder heads reveal another layer of neglect. Every valve, spring, and camshaft must now earn its place back. Under ultrasonic cleaning, decades of carbon begin disappearing. Slowly, the original metal starts coming back to life. The block is finally stripped of its past. Beneath the sludge and corrosion, its original form begins to emerge. With the metal restored, the engine receives a fresh finish. The transformation is no longer just an idea, it's happening. One component at a time, the V8 comes back together. The engine that once looked beyond repair is ready for a new life. But the engine is only half the battle. Underneath the G63, years of rust are waiting for us. Years of corrosion have covered the chassis in surface rust. Before rebuilding the suspension, every trace of oxidation has to be removed. Now the frame is finally exposed. Every layer of rust and corrosion must be blasted away before the structure can be repaired. Years of corrosion weakened critical mounting points. Every damaged section must be reinforced before the suspension can safely return. Before rebuilding the suspension, every worn component has to come out. Nothing damaged will be allowed back onto this chassis. Years of neglected oil have taken their toll. The differential is opened, inspected, and prepared for a complete internal rebuild. Stopping power matters as much as performance. Every brake component is cleaned, restored, and secured to factory precision. The drivetrain depends on smooth, precise movement. Every worn universal joint is replaced before the restored driveshaft returns to service. Protection comes next. Every restored steel component receives a durable satin black coating, sealing the metal against future corrosion. With the frame repaired, the suspension can finally be rebuilt. Fresh components bring strength, precision, and control back to the G63. Now the restored pieces begin going back where they belong. Every component is aligned, secured, and torqued with factory-level precision. Every line must follow its original path. The fuel system is rebuilt carefully, protected from heat and movement, and secured for the road ahead. Hidden beneath the G63, every brake line must be routed perfectly. One loose connection could compromise everything. After years of neglect, even the dashboard needs a second life. It comes apart carefully, connector by connector, without damaging what can be saved. Hidden behind the dashboard is an entire electrical network. Every connector is cleaned, every damaged section repaired, and every wire returned to its proper place. Years of use have left their mark on the leather. Careful cleaning and repair bring the original texture, comfort, and character back. The steering wheel carries years of every journey. Cleaned, repaired, and restitched, its original feel begins to return. Underneath the seats, years of dirt have become part of the carpet. Deep extraction brings the original floor back to life. Before the cabin goes back together, every electronic system must prove itself. The cluster and infotainment wake up exactly as they should. Before the body can be repaired, every removable panel has to come off. Only then can the hidden damage truly be exposed. With the outer panels removed, the real damage is finally exposed. Now every dent, crease, and weakened section can be restored properly. Before adding anything to the surface, the original metal must be brought back into shape. Every crease is carefully pulled and straightened by hand. Some corrosion is too deep to save. The damaged steel is cut away, and a precisely formed replacement section takes its place. Metal repair creates the foundation. Now a precise skim of filler brings every repaired surface back to the G63's original shape. The repaired metal is sealed now. Epoxy primer creates the protective foundation that will carry the G63's new finish. Paint only looks as good as the surface beneath it. From 400 to 3000 grit, every tiny imperfection is carefully erased. After all that preparation, the original character returns. Layer by layer, the G63 disappears beneath a deep, flawless matte black. The finish is protected without sacrificing its character. A matte-safe ceramic coating seals the surface while keeping the G63's deep black texture intact. Perfect paint means nothing if the panels don't line up. Every gap is measured and adjusted until the G63 looks factory perfect again. Every hidden corner is cleaned before the final assembly begins. The G63 cabin is no longer neglected. It's ready to feel new again. Above the cabin, the final traces of neglect disappear. The restored headliner settles perfectly into its original factory position. After being rebuilt piece by piece, the heart of the G63 returns to its home. Now everything depends on the final connections. Before the first start, every vital system gets its lifeblood. Fluids are filled, levels are checked, and every connection is inspected for leaks. 20 years of silence ends here. One push of the button, and the heart of the G63 finally comes alive again. Power is back, but everything must work. Every light, signal, display, and electrical circuit is tested before the final drive. Nothing is left unchecked. Every surface, seam, and panel is inspected until this matte black G63 is finally ready to leave the workshop. The restored matte black Mercedes-Benz G63 disappears slowly down the road as the camera holds on to the restoration house workshop entrance.